Hello again, everybody. Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV. We're taking a look at a brand new floor plan out. First one here on the lot, your brand new Alliance Avenue. Lightweight fifth wheels. That's the 32 RLS. You see opposing slides behind me. Let's real quick take a look at some of the nice features on the Avenue, and then we'll get started with the walkthrough. Nice new graphics package for the Alliance. Asdale Construction. Full-time warranty. Your 101-inch wide body. LED dimmer lights. Pocket doors for the bathroom. Soft close toilet seat. Hidden storage throughout, like under countertops and behind TVs. Soft close kitchen cabinet doors. Flush floor kitchen slide as well as the living room. So no step up, place to hit your foot on the slide. Flush slide in the kitchen. No floor vents on the main level. They're all in the island, so no pet hair, stumping your foot on them, cleaning them out. You got your flush floor bedroom. Got your no carpet. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. I'll also show you a quick clip of the underbelly, so make sure you watch all the way till the end. Check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, all your measurements listed down below, and some links to some other videos. Check those out. Thanks for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, as soon as you walk in, you see the nice island with the light cabinetry, opposing slides. And in the back, looking forward. Again, kind of your two-tone cabinetry. Slide fascia, no heat ducts in the floor, no carpet, all flush flooring. We'll go ahead and start up in the master bedroom. King size bed. You got windows that open, you got shades all the way around. Blackout roller shades. You got charging areas on both sides. Receptacles down low. Thermostat for your master bedroom. Shocks that hold the bed up for you. Nice accessible storage area. Up front, your closet. You got two doors here that open up. You are prepped for washer dryer. The shelves will come out. You've got a little cutout there. It gives you a little bit more walking space. Nice barn style doors with the mirrors. You are prepped for a TV. Again, the light color cabinetry. Nice solid drawers. Fire escape window and blackout shades. Another barn style door to close off the master bedroom from the hallway. Pocket door for the bathroom. You got the foot flush, soft close toilet seat. Nice hardware on the cabinets, soft close cabinetry. Glass enclosed shower. Nice space in the shower. Headroom, I'm 6'5", I'm touching. So you gotta be shorter than 6'5". I'm touching in the skylight. Nice shower head. Countertop in the bathroom is nice. Medicine cabinet. You do have receptacles. You do have exhaust fan, air duct, and heat ducts. Nice assist handle coming down. Your convenience area, as soon as you come in, control your slides, your awnings, your lights, check your holding tanks. You got tank heaters on each of the tanks. You do have dimmer lights. Didn't mention that, but you got dimmer lights as well in the bedroom. Thermostat for your second AC. Max air fan controls. So a nice convenient area there. Nice backsplash. Nice upgrades on the countertop. Accent lighting and charging area. Nice glass front. Your pantry. All of your drawers, again, reinforced drawers. Plenty of storage. Your refrigerator, freezer. Gain a little pots and pans drawer down low. In the island, again, premium solid surface countertops. Large stainless steel sink. Great faucet. Tons of space for trash can, but mainly for access and plumbing if you need to work on anything. It's a nice feature there. Your oven. LED lights, 3-burner range. Good storage. Receptacles throughout, lights throughout. Convection microwave oven. Again, soft close. Cabinets. Staying kind of in your kitchen area, you've got the ottoman. It's got your storage underneath. You can move that over and remove the back over in front of the sofa for footrest. There's that multifunctional ottoman, either at the dinette or here in front of the sofa. Chairs do have storage underneath. Your recliners, cup holders, good storage, footrest. All of your windows have the blackout roller shades. Atrium windows. High ceiling in these. I'm 6'5", I'm nowhere near, so plenty of room getting in and out of the dinette, getting out of the theater seat. Trifold sleeper sofa, we'll take a look at that setup. There's the sofa opened up. Again, you got plenty of room to get around. Very easy setup. And you've got storage underneath. You can put the cushions, linens. Lightweight. 2 legs fold in. And you're set back up. Your cushions have Velcro on the back. Hold them in place. So easy setup and breakdown of that trifold sleeper sofa. You've got storage on either side, receptacles, charging area. Top lifts up for storage. Again, blackout roller shades. Tons of cabinetry, accent lighting. The theater seat is directly across from the TV, so great view there. But the TV is on a swivel arm. Your hidden storage there. You've got storage shelves throughout, but also gives you easy access to all your hookups. Down low, you've got your stereo, speakers, your electric fireplace that does put out heat. Stereo does have USB HDMI hookups. Overhead storage is extremely deep. Same with the soft close again. So overall, very nice setup. Your brand new 2022 Alliance Avenue 32 RLS. Let's head outside. We'll take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, your nice Alliance logo right on the front. LED docking light. Your Kurt Rotoflex pin box. In your storage area, I got the battery box hooked up, but your battery goes here, your inverter. That docking light control is here. Your auto leveling controls. We're also looking at a dry weight of 10,790 pounds. 130-pound bottle on each side. One nice feature of the Avenue is 101-inch wide body. So a lot of your lightweight fifth wheels are not going to that 101-inch. So wider body, more storage, more floor space inside. Slam latch compartments. Inside, you're looking at your solar charger, motion sensor lighting, heat duct in your storage area, nice and clean storage. Your docking area's got outside shower, all your pull valves, and then you got easy access for winterizing. You can feed everything right through the bottom, keep the door shut. Back side of your hot water heater, your furnace. We are looking at a 50 amp service. Your sewer connection. Moving down the side. Got a receiver on the back. Good for extra storage. 300-pound hitch weight. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. You got your front AC, your TV antenna, skylights, your solar panel, your second AC, top of your slide outs. You've got a slide on the campsite, so they give you an awning on the face of the slide, as well as receptacles. And then you have your main patio awning here. We are looking at 16-inch tires. Your Lippert solid step folds right up into the camper, locks in place. Easily adjustable height on those legs. Friction hinge door stays where you leave it. Other side of your pass-through storage, you got a hookup for a TV. Another motion sensor lighting. Magnetic latches that hold your door up. Your outside speakers. And then your other 30-pound LP bottle. Your brand new exclusive Alliance Avenue 32 RLS. All right, as promised with the slides in, you can get in the top refrigerator, not the freezer, and you got full access to the bathroom. So really only non-access area would be, obviously the sofa and dinette would be just a freezer. Underneath you got your fully enclosed underbelly, LP quick connect, jacks. See the foam insulation covering all your openings.